This video will demonstrate how to set up a remote AAA 802.1x network using the Ruckus Cloud mobile app. So from the dashboard, I would tap on Add a Network. Then I would give the network a name, and I'm going to call this one ART AAA SSID. And then I would put in a description, and I'll just put in AAA. Next, we scroll down to the type of network, and I'm going to select Remote AAA 802.1x, so I'll select that. If I wanted more information on that, I could press on the question mark, and it says use the 802.1x standard and WPA2 security protocols to authenticate users using an authentication server on the network. Alright, so I've got that. I'll go to the next screen. And here is where we put in the primary radius server information. In my case, I'm going to put in the IP address of 52.90.255.122. And the port number is going to be 1812. And then I need to put in my shared secret of the radius server. And I could press the eyeball to make sure that I got the right shared secret. So we know that we have the right one. I don't need to put in a secondary radius server, but I could. So I'll hit next. Now I need to assign the venues. So I'm going to put this on the Awani Arts venue. So I'll enable that and then hit next. And on my summary page, it gives me the name of the SSID, gives me the type, it gives me the primary server IP address and the port number, and then the shared secret. If I want to go to the advanced settings, I can tap on that. Under my load control, for my maximum rate, it's set at unlimited, but if I wanted to change that, I could limit that to per AP or per client. I'll cancel that. Maximum clients by default is 100. I could change that up to a maximum of 500. Load balancing is enabled between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Client isolation is not enabled. I could enable that. I could enable force DHCP. I could hide the SSID. Enable OFDM is enabled. And the BSS MIM rate is set at none. I could select 12 megabits or 24 megabits, but I'll cancel that. And now I'll hit save. And when I'm finished putting in my information, I'll hit done. Please wait while creating the network. So this is going to take a short while. And after about 10 seconds, it'll say the network was added successfully, so I'll hit OK. And then if I go back to my networks and I tap on See All, I'll notice that the last network I have here is the ART AAA SSID. I could tap on that to get information. I could edit that network if I wanted to. I could change the name or the description. I'm going to cancel that. And then I can look at my network settings, my SSID, the description, and so forth. I could get more information on that if I wanted. And that shows my maximum clients per radio, and the client isolation is off. Tap less to get less information. I don't have any clients associated yet, so I don't have any traffic volume or unique clients yet. If I wanted to see what venue it was associated, I could tap on that. So we can see that that's associated with Awani Arts. And that particular venue has 3 APs. And if for some reason I wanted to delete the network, I could tap on Delete Network. So I'll go back to the home screen. So this completes a short demo in setting up a remote AAA 802.1x network using the Ruckus Cloud mobile app.